Here, AISEMA provides a comprehensive list of all identified topics, including those with a similarity score below 70%. Each result displays the call for project's title, topic ID, and AISEMA score. Hover over the score to reveal the exact similarity percentage. The list also covers information on budget, deadline date, action type, and success rate. For a detailed description of the call, click Details at the end of each row. To generate a report of all results, click the Generate CSV button in the bottom left corner. A ring chart above the list illustrates the distribution of all results by action type. On the right, a column chart speeds up a comparison of selected results. By clicking the Analyze with Selected tab, you access a section for in-depth analysis and comparison of your chosen topics with all those identified by AISEMA. Returning to the All Topics tab, you can advance to the next step of analysis with selected topics, where AISEMA will subsequently identify associated projects.